gosh, I have so much to catch you guys up on. So much has happened, and I have just not been able to record because I have so much going on between getting prepared for training, yes, and then packing up my stuff to move and just dealing with life stuff. So I have been struggling keeping everything together. On my training day, I start June 20th. And I'm going to go to July 29th. I will go ahead and give you guys my dates and my timeline for when I got everything, like my notifications. So you guys can kind of see a ballpark of what my experience was like. Just in case you're in the process and you're waiting to see like how long it could possibly take. So I'm at my first stop, which is Walmart. So I'm going to come in here and get like binder, notebook, pens, pencils, highlighters, stickies, index cards, stuff like that to be successful during training. Or look up items. Over to JCPenney's if they're open. Ladies, I found out that JCPenney has ample work clothes. I was struggling to find an outfit for my face-to-face, and so I was so desperate. I was going into every place, and I went into JCPenney's, and I was like, JCPenney, there's no S at the end. I went into JCPenney, and I was like, why have I not come in here sooner for work clothes? Like, they always have a sale. Over to JCPenney's. We have made it to our next destination. Let's just see how it goes. Hopefully I can find what I need in here because I did it for my face-to-face. So let's see what JCPenney has to offer. Those pants are cute. I wonder if I can wear like stripes. Jackets. It's the spring, so they have a lot of colors out right now, but I am a black and white kind of girl. Oopsie, boom, just like that I found some pants. Okay, side note, I don't know what I'm gonna do about my piercings. My tattoos I got, you know, good, but ear piercings, like, I don't know if y'all can see them, but like, bro, not taking them out. So next stop is Target. We found another one on our route while we were out, so I'm gonna just go ahead and see if they have some of the last few things that I need. Hopefully so, because I'm ready to go home. Well, get food and then go home. So here goes nothing. Target, we spent $17, and this is what we got. Have to have the to-go Clorox wipes at all times. I needed a new eyebrow pencil. I never tried this one by e.l.f. I got it in deep brown. We're gonna pray over that one because I've never tried it. I have a pet, so I have to keep a lint roller. I feel like this one will be small enough to keep in a tote bag. I needed these. This is not even necessarily for training, but I use a lot of Q-tips to clean my piercings and things of that such. This was recommended a tie to go because we do have to wear white shirts, and I'm guessing just in case you make a mistake on your uniform. Sticky notes. I saw a lot of people using sticky notes to study for training. This is not necessarily for training. I just needed some more dishwashing soap. And then we have to wear makeup when we're in our business attire. So I got these cotton swabs that I like to use with my makeup remover. So all of this I got the Black Girl sunscreen from Ulta. It retails at $15.99, but I did pay $6 for it because I spent so much money at Ulta. I had $6 credit on top of, they had, I think, 15% off or something. I spent $19.45 at Walmart. I got packing tape because I need that for my moving boxes. I got a 5-star subject notebook. I got 3 packs of index cards. They each have 100 packs. I got the big ones because I do write big, and they do have lines on them. I got highlighters. Somebody recommended pencils. I'm not sure why. And then I bought a pack of leggings because I will need these for swim days because I do have tattoos. But what I did, this JCPenney receipt is a little raggedy, but I spent $63.61. So that's that. I have these black slacks. They are just some regular straight leg pants. I already have some that kind of stop around the ankle, so I just wanted something that would look cute with some flats because I have to wear heels with the other ones. I did get 2 polo shirts. I'm gonna get more. I wanted to try these on with my Pam, and then I got these ugly grandma jeans that have no rips, frays, and no like acid wash. Just all my poo. You know we're moving. You ready to go back to Atlanta? Huh? You ready to go? Yes. Good morning, beautiful people. I am on my way to Home Depot. I forgot to get boxes yesterday. I just need a couple boxes. Clearly got the boxes. I don't know how this is gonna work, y'all. My car is so freaking small. We have to try to find some shoes. Starting training in a week, and I am just like not prepared. We have to try to. It's literally so hot out here in Houston. But I received 2 emails today. Well, really 1 because the other one was sent in error. With the hotel information, what time I need to show up next Monday, little details like that. I have some documents. Oh yeah, I got an email yesterday with some documents to complete. So I'm gonna try to do that today. Time is going by so freaking fast, and I'm just like not ready. All I know is I hear a boom, so I come out here only to find Rocco and hopped in the box with some of his toys. Stink, you can't take all your toys. We gonna take those over there. That's enough for you, Cheeks, and Lyric. You gotta pack some of your toys, okay? You can't take them all. It's been 2 days. I am finally seeing some progress with the packing. Like, finally.